Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into the wonderful world of Notion, where I'll guide you step by step on how to use custom icons in Notion. First things first, let's open our Notion workspace. Now that we've done that, select the page where you wish to add your custom icon. At the top left corner of your page, you'll see a default icon. Click on it. Why is this important? Well, this is your entry point for customizing the icons, which helps in personalizing your workspace to make it truly yours. Next up, you'll see a pop-up with emojis. Now you might be thinking, I thought we were adding custom icons, not emojis? Don't worry, this is just the default setting. Right next to the emojis, you'll find an option that says Upload an image. Clicking this is your next step. The reason we do this is to explore beyond the default emojis and add our own images as icons to give our pages a unique identity. Once you've clicked Upload an image, you'll be able to browse your files. Choose the image that you want to use as your icon. Make sure the image is clear and not too cluttered, as it will be resized to a small icon. This helps us because the image you choose will be the symbol of your page, so it should reflect the content of the page and be easily identifiable. After choosing your image, click Open. Notion will then upload your image and set it as the icon for your page. And voila, you've successfully added a custom icon to your Notion page. Let me explain why this matters. Your custom icon now serves as a visual cue, making it easier to navigate and identify pages in your workspace. It's a small change, but it can make a big difference in your Notion experience. And that's it. With these simple steps, you've learned how to use custom icons in Notion. Keep experimenting with different images till you find the perfect set of icons that make your Notion workspace truly yours. Thanks for joining me today. Until next time, keep exploring and keep customizing.